The darkFlash DS900 Gaming PC Case showcases a stunning 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel offering an impressive view of your internal components. With a high-speed input-output panel that includes USB 3.0 and Type-C ports, this case ensures rapid data transfer and versatile connectivity. Designed for optimal performance, it supports up to 10 fans and a 360mm radiator, keeping your system cool during intense gaming sessions. The thoughtful design features magnetic and panel dust filters, which help maintain a clean interior and protect your components from dust accumulation. Easy installation is a key feature of the darkFlash DS900, with its user-friendly design allowing for hassle-free cable management and component access. The anti-slip bottom structure of the case provides stability, preventing slipping or sliding on various surfaces, enhancing your overall PC building experience.